How to add custom video titles in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and head over to the edit page where all your clips and timelines are located. Next, look for the effects library on the top left side of the screen and click to expand it. Inside the effects library, you will find the title section. Here, you can browse different presets titles like text, text plus, scroll, and lower thirds. After selecting the title type you want, drag and drop it onto the timeline above your video clip, placing it where you want the title to appear. Now, click on the title clip in the timeline to open the inspector panel on the right side. In the inspector, you can customize your title's text by typing the desired words into the text box. You can also change the font style, size, color, position, and other effects like shadows or outlines to make your title stand out. If you want to add animation or more advanced effect, consider using the text box title instead of the basic text, because it gives you more control with keyframes and animation tools. You can adjust the timing and style easily by dragging the edges of the title clip or using keyframes in the inspector. Once you finish customizing your title, play your timeline to check how it looks. If needed, you can adjust the duration or position until you get the perfect fit for your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add custom video titles in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.